This guide will help you understand how to manage and potentially reduce lag spikes in Valorant. Follow these steps to improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, as it is generally more reliable than Wi-Fi. Test your internet speed and stability using online tools. Step 2. Close background applications. Before launching Valorant, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. Programs that use the internet or consume system resources can contribute to lag spikes. Step 3. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your in-game graphics settings to reduce the load on your system. This can help improve performance and reduce lag. Focus on settings like resolution, texture quality, and effects. Step 4. Update drivers and software. Make sure your graphics card drivers and the game itself are up to date. Manufacturers often release updates that can improve performance and fix bugs that may cause lag. Step 5. Optimize network settings. Consider adjusting your network settings, such as enabling quality of service QoS on your router to prioritize gaming traffic. You can also try using a VPN to connect your server closer to the game servers. By following these steps, you should experience a smoother gaming session in Valorant. Remember that consistent performance may vary based on your hardware and internet connection.